Today, I came to the Petit bonfire on a whim impulsively, because I rushed into a riverbed barbecue space at all times. This time, there is no drone, only still images. It's now image editing, February 14th, 2024 H-ODS. 13:57 today's lineup. 14:03 curing with fire protection sheet. 14:05 used chopsticks come in handy in such a case. 14:08 this time we prepared conifers and hardwoods. 14:11 ignite chopsticks and conifers with an igniter and burner. At 2:29 p.m., the next step is to add hardwoods. Today it is more windy than I expected. At 2:33 p.m., it finally caught fire. It's 2:40 p.m., and it's a small bonfire, so I won't go deep. 14:42, that's not my radio-controlled helicopter, it's real. 14:43, let's take a look at the state of the bonfire. It is windy today and the water cannot be boiled with this fire power. (15:13) I came to the small bonfire impulsively today, so it's time to prepare for the withdrawal. Today's lunch is checked in. At 15:31, the fire extinguishing bag is convenient when withdrawing. 15:36, good manners. I will clean it as much as possible and withdraw it. Please watch other movies. Please subscribe to the channel. February 14th, 2024.